Hello YouTube, my name is Jackson Adams and I'm going to show you guys my Snapon KRL7022 box. There's this nice mat on the top, the sides, it's a red and like a gray with the red trim pieces on the handle. Up here I got my Makita 18 volt charger, model engine that I made, Coast A9R flashlight, broken spark checker, pocket knife, torch, some wax, cup, tablet. So for the first drawer, it's my socket drawer. So I got some performance tool, deep and shallow SAE. These are Harbor Freight right here, deep and shallow also. 3/8 SAE, those are Harbor Freight, of the deep and shallow. 1/4 inch SAE, I just have an extension, 1/4 inch SK ratchet, 3/8 Husky ratchet, 3/8 Snap-on flex head ratchet, 1/2 inch Husky ratchet, 1/2 inch 24-inch breaker bar, 1/2 inch Snap-on flex head ratchet 24-inch, some SAE hex brake caliper hex bit sets, 1/2 inch extensions, Cornwell wobbles, that's 1/4 inch all the way up to 1/2 inch. Snap-on 1/4 inch extensions, some clutch removal tools for small engines, some extensions, some adapters for my 1/4 inch hex driver, oil filter socket, Snap-on 3-piece set. These are great. They make like a 47 ACF, which is a bigger version of that I want to get. Here's just some extra sockets back here. Here's my metric sockets. So we got impact, deep and shallow chrome, 3/8, 1/4, some more brake caliper, hex shank bits, some long reach hex bits, a light, carpet knife, and then we have just some pliers. The green are Matco, this is Harbor Freight, some cheap vice grips, some cheap needle nose, Snap-on wire crimpers, cheap wire crimpers, just some other crap. Matco snap ring plier set, this thing's great, use this all the time. Cornwell precision plier set, Cornwell SAE and metric ratcheting wrenches. These are just O'Reilly Auto Parts performance tool wrenches. They work okay for now. I'm gonna upgrade. And then that's just some junk back there, extra wrenches and some mismatched wrenches. Here we have hammers. These are Harbor Freight. They're great. I'm not gonna buy Snap-on hammers. There's really no point in it. Snap-on T-handle torque set. Snap-on pick set, the long and the short. Harbor Freight pick set, broke like 2 of those, so that's why there's only 2 of them. I got this from Cornwell. It's an Irwin bit set. So it has like Phillips, Torx, adapters for my 1/4 inch impact. Some O'Reilly Auto Parts picks. Don't use those very much, they break. Here's my screwdriver drawer. So I got the Snap-on cabinet style screwdriver set, Matco. Screwdriver set over here, just some random stuff, some Phillips, flathead, some small engine tools, specialty like Torx, square, and then some like 1/4-inch adapter screwdrivers. Here I have my 4-piece pry bar set from Snapon, Pittsburgh punch and chisel set, some Pittsburgh pry bars that I just threw in there, Snap-on drill bit set, Boss Stitch drill bit set. I got these for free from Harbor Freight. I just threw them in here. Some brush sets from Harbor Freight. Here I got my tap and die set, my Matco Master compression set, a engraver, my multimeter that I use all the time, extra sockets and random crap, micrometer, Snap-on 3/8 digital torque wrench, leak down tester back there. I got some paperwork, some catalogs, grease gun right here, my power probe, my an extra Coast A9R light. I just got that. Matco sent me a new one because one of mine broke. Gloves, a hat. Moving up, this is my personal drawer. It's got the owner's manual, some Propel packets, some suckers, some random crap in there. This has a hand riveter, some like Torx, metric and SAE hex sets, some random junk. That's for my die grinder. Tape measures, cam wheels for steel backpack blowers, quick connect for an air hose, flywheel gap gauge, just some random stuff in here. Right here we have my impact screwdriver, level, spark plug plier or spark plug wire removal pliers, air chuck, trim tool, scraper, a super scraper for gaskets, electrical tape, field line crimp, valve core removal tool, spark checker, a tachometer. Down here it's kind of a mess. I have my 1/4-inch Makita impact, my 1/2-inch drill, and then my 1/2-inch impact. I have a 1/4-inch Blue Point, air ratchet, Matco digital tire inflator, and then a crappy air ratchet. But I just wanted to show you guys this video and show you what I have, and it's mainly for insurance purposes. But thank you for watching, and please subscribe.